Hey guys, what's up? True Default here. Today we're going to be unboxing these AirPods that I bought. So let's get started. Okay, got that open. So if you guys can see, this is what they look like, right? Like the normal AirPod box, like it's supposed to. And now I'm going to just cut this right there, so that I can open it, and then I'm gonna just okay, so we get this nice manual thing right here. Let's quickly do these just okay, so these are supposed to be fake AirPods. Almost everything looks like the real ones. So you really don't know what you're getting for this, so let's quickly try them out. Comes in a little plastic wrapping like the real ones, and I kind of accidentally just ripped it off, but these look pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, and a bonus is that it uses the lightning cable, and these are the model i30s, as it says on the case. I'm quickly gonna get my phone to try them out. Okay guys, so here's my phone, if you can see it. And we're gonna try this out. So these are the fake AirPods, and this is my phone. We're gonna go in. I don't know if you can see the phone clearly, but let's see how this works. This will give me a green light, and it popped up. The AirPods pop up. If you guys can see, let me quickly just focus that in. I don't know if that helped the focus. Wait. So I like suck at focusing cameras, but is that the focus I can get you? Come on. Oh yes, that's better. That's better. So you guys can see that, yeah? The AirPod Connect. And these are open with the green light, like the real ones. So now I'm going to go ahead and click that connect button and see what happens. So it says connecting. And there. So I can click done. And up at the top it says the AirPods thing. And I'm going to go ahead and listen to some music. Check out the volume of these. So it turns out it activated Siri because I double tapped accidentally, but let me put this on full volume. Start playing. Play Old Town Road. Okay, so my Old Town Road is gonna start playing. And I don't know how loud these are, but if you guys can hear them. But yeah, that's all coming from just these two. They're pretty good. Yeah. And we're gonna get that focus back to normal. And I've got another thing, just an extra for you guys being here. It's these fish islands. Yeah, they feel pretty nice. Looks like this. And now we're going to try them out on this phone again. Just like the normal camera looks like, right? And then I'm quickly going to just clip this on. That's what it looks like, and so that's like the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching this, and the only piece of advice I have for you is you guys should buy these headphones. Let's test out the sound again, just in case you guys didn't hear it the first time. Okay. What happened to you? No. Wait, yeah? I paused it. Why? And that's not even full. And once again, these are the i30 TWS AirPods from a Folio store. They're pretty good. Check them out. The case is like this, and I can just put it in, and it disconnects from my phone. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, there's no Bluetooth connection, or you can't see. There's no Bluetooth connection. And, well, there's one last thing I want to show you guys. This cable that comes with it is a lightning cable. So it charges with the same cable as your iPhone. So if you guys want to charge it with your iPhone cable, it works. And I'm just gonna come back here. And thank you for watching. This was my first unboxing video. Or comment down below, like and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and thank you.